it's only half a minute later. Don't know how far out of Roche this is, but here's the C13 turn to Sendelungs and Noordoewer. I'm not going to turn in, but you'll see there's a closed sign. And I won't turn my handlebar so you can see either. But that's 140 to Noordoewer. When I did check it, as I thought it might be a possibility, some of that's gravel and there's another tar section, but I'll say the gravel part is flooded. So look at this landscape, just endless floodplain or whatever it's called. Off to those mountains over there. Lovely cloud cover. Haven't ridden like this since Maun, I think. Remember the route from South Africa to Groot Marico to Gabs to Francistown. Okay, I got rained on. And even Francistown to Maun was all quite pleasantly cloud covered. And pretty much since Maun, Shakawe, Rundu, all the way down, Grooties, Windhoek, all the way till today, it's been pretty much full sun. Well, which is again why I want to ride early. Even the last couple of days, that route from Windhoek to Gibeon, I can feel my lips are a bit dry, my cheeks a little bit burnt. I did bring sunscreen, but it's not that dramatic, but I can feel there is a bit of sun. So there is some sort of national park actually we're going into. I saw yesterday, you'll see I'll leave it on until we go through there. The Sperrgebied, I think, National Park. Culverts galore to handle the water flows. I don't think that's South Africa. I think that is still Namibia on the left, those mountains. But I think the ones beyond that. Slow down a bit so you get a better glimpse of the park. Tsau Khaheb Sperrgebied National Park. That's what that sign on the left said. No one there, I think. Didn't see anyone. Right, this is the national park. Right, I'll switch on later when we start getting sight of the river.